Hello, for today we've got for warm-up an aluminum block, and then we've got a 3 kilograms anvil. For now, let's crash. Let's crash! That was a tough aluminum. We got it explode. Let's go to the anvil. Let's crash. Let's crash. Easy money. So we was having an anvil, now we just don't have easy money for our huge press. Oh, we've got something left. Let's crash it as well. Let's crash. Got the down part of the anvil. Let's crash. This is what I call power, bitches. We've got again an overkill video. We've got the anvil totally destroyed. Easy money for the 500. Plus, we've got the aluminum in pieces. So all these pieces will be in giveaway. All you have to do is just to leave a comment down below, and I'm going to send to different people different pieces. If this video reaches the 3,000 likes, I'm going to put a 5 kilograms anvil. So don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, don't forget to ring the bell to see first these crazy ass videos. And until next time, das vidania.